Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple videos with text on Telegram group on your PC with the latest update. Let's walk through the steps to enhance your group messaging experience on Telegram. To begin, open WhatsApp Web on your PC to access the web version of Telegram. Once you're on WhatsApp Web, open the group chat where you want to share multiple videos with text. Within the group chat window, locate the attachment icon and click on it. This will allow you to choose photos and videos to send within the group. Select the videos you wish to share with the group members. After selecting the videos, click Open to attach them to your message. The chosen videos will be added and ready to be sent in the group chat. Next, navigate to the caption bar where you can write the text you want to include with the videos. Add your message or caption to provide context or convey your thoughts along with the videos. Once you have written your text and attached the videos, it's time to send them to the Telegram group. Click the Send button to share the videos along with your text in the group chat. By following these steps, you can easily send multiple videos with text on Telegram group on your PC, allowing you to communicate effectively and engage with all members of the group. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Start sharing multiple videos with text on Telegram group today and make your group chats more interactive and enjoyable for all participants.